In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hugging Face LLMs in n8n. Setting up Hugging Face language models within n8n offers you robust capabilities for processing and generating text, unleashing a powerful tool right at your fingertips. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can have these systems up and running smoothly in no time. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Hugging Face account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the Hugging Face website and create an account. Assuming you're already signed in, locate the Settings option, which can usually be found in the drop-down menu accessible by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Under the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Access Tokens. This is where we will create a new token to grant n8n permission to utilize Hugging Face's inference capabilities. Next, create a fine-grained access token. This type of token is crucial as it allows you to use inference providers without exposing unnecessary permissions. When creating this token, ensure that you select the necessary permissions, specifically marked for inference providers. Once you have created this access token, copy it carefully. You'll recognize these tokens by their prefix, usually beginning with HFS. Keep this token secure and handy, as you'll need it in the coming steps. Always remember to handle and store your token securely to maintain the integrity of your data and systems. Now let's move on to n8n, where we will set up the credentials needed to connect with Hugging Face. Start by creating a new workflow if you haven't already done so. In your new workflow, add a node for Hugging Face Inference Model. This node is fundamental for initiating the connection between n8n and Hugging Face's models, which will enable your text processing activities. After adding the Hugging Face Inference Model node, the next step involves setting up the API credentials. In the node's configuration, you will see an option to create new credentials. Select this option to bring up the credentials setup interface. Here, paste the Hugging Face token you copied earlier. This token acts as a key, granting n8n the access necessary to interface with Hugging Face's language models. Once you've entered your access token, make sure to save the credential settings. Saving these settings is vital to avoid re-entering your token and credentials again, offering you easy access for future workflows. With these steps completed, you now have a fully configured connection. Your Hugging Face models are ready to bring a new level of robustness to your n8n workflows. This simple integration paves the way for utilizing advanced machine learning techniques without needing extensive programming knowledge. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to harness the power of Hugging Face LLMs within n8n. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions or share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.